What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys all about Amazon product research and exactly how you can find that perfect product to start selling on Amazon. It's very, very important when selling on Amazon that you follow the guide that I'm going to give you in order to be successful with it. Because there's a lot of people that try to begin selling on Amazon that end up failing because they just go with what they think is going to do good or what they're passionate about. When I first started with my Amazon business, I didn't go with that route. I went with something that I completely have no passion about, and I could care less about the product really, but I always have to make sure the product is good quality and it's a very good high standard product, but I had no interest in the product whatsoever. I knew down the line what I'm doing is building a long-term brand or a long-term business. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly that, all the steps, tips, and tricks of what I do and how I was able to make over $1 million in sales this year with my Amazon business. I'm going to show you guys all those steps that you're going to be needing and how you can find that right product with some tools here that I'm going to show you right now. So let's get started. So what I like to tell all my students and everybody that wants to learn how to sell on Amazon is that you want to aim for a product that's going to give you $250 to $300 profit per day with selling that product. This is very, very reasonable and very doable when selling on Amazon. You just need to find a product that's not so competitive, that has high demand and high search on Amazon's platform. And what I like to mention also is that you want to sell something that's not so big and heavy, especially if it's your first product. Why? Because shipping costs are going to be high from China to Amazon's warehouse. And when a customer buys your product, shipping costs will be high and Amazon fees will be high as well. So you want to aim for something that's not so big. The smaller, the better. I ideally like to sell products that are under 3 pounds or less. 1 pound or less is even better in my opinion. But yeah, 3 pounds or less is ideal when selling that product. You want to make sure you're also able to get that product on the first page of Amazon. I teach everybody about this for free. It's all on my YouTube channel. I have all the information on my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, it's all here free for you. Nothing is needed. You can start your Amazon business right away, even today if you wanted to. And yeah, it's all doable. It's all up to you to get started and take it serious. So in front of me here, I have Helium 10. This is a platform that I use to scale my Amazon business. You can see right here, I've done over $1 million in sales this year, and we're not done with the year yet. Helium 10 is a paid software. If you're interested in it, I'm going to have a discount code in the link down below for you in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You're going to need a tool like this in order to find the right product to start selling. It's very, very important that you have a good, high quality product research tool in order to find that right product that you want to start selling. If you don't know all the little data, statistics, and all of that. Without this tool, I don't know if I would have been able to scale my business as much as I had, because now I have all the data. I know what keywords that I'm ranking for, which keywords that I'm not. How can I improve the product? There's so much tools and little details you need in order to grow a long-term business. This is what I use. I really like Helium 10 really well. There is other platforms out there like 𝗏𝘂𝗲 and Viral Launch, but Helium 10 has the most accurate information. When you want to find a product that you want to start selling on Amazon, you want to go to tools here and you want to click black box. This is Amazon product research, and this is the tool that I use to find all the products I want to get into. It actually helps me build the brand that I have today. So what you want to do is you want to find that one product that you want to start selling. Like I mentioned, $250 to $300 profit, but you also want to build a brand around the product that you're selling. You want to make sure that the product that you're selling, you can expand in that whole niche and build a long-term business from. So what we're going to be doing is finding what product that we can start selling. You're more than welcome to click the same exact links that I'm going to be clicking. So I like baby products is good. Beauty and personal care is also very good to use. Vinyl, we're going to stay away from. Cell phone accessories is a really bad one. Stay away from that. Clothing is no electronics, no health and household. Home and kitchen is a good one. Kitchen and dining is also a very good one. Office products, pet supplies, patio, lawn and gardens, also good. Tools and home improvement. And these are the ones that I really like for. We're also gonna put sports and outdoors just for this exam. Okay, number of sellers, we're gonna put 1 and 1. And minimum price, we're gonna put 16. So the review count, we're gonna put at most 200 reviews. And let's put the weight at max 3 pounds. Shipping size, let's put small and large standard. And for monthly sales, let's put minimum 9,000 in sales. Minimum 9,000 in sales is gonna, you're gonna be able to hit that mark of $250 to $300 profit per day. And now let's fill to the bottom, and we're gonna just fill this one out. Fulfillment, we're gonna put FBA. This stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. So what does Fulfilled by Amazon mean? That means your products are Amazon Prime. So when a customer buys your product, Amazon ships it to the customer, delivers it, and packs it, and you don't have to do anything. All you have to do really is supply Amazon with the product. So what I teach all my students is I get my product from China directly to Amazon's warehouse. I never have to deal with a product physically, no hard labor, nothing like that. Instead, I have it shipped directly to it. All my customers buy my product, it goes to Amazon Prime, they get it same day, 1 business day at most. And yeah, I don't have to deal with any hard labor like that. And it allows me to really scale my Amazon FBA business. You do have to pay Amazon FBA fees, but it allows you to leverage your business and really grow your business with Amazon Prime. So we're gonna put FBA here, and let's click search. Now it's gonna give us a list of a ton of products that fall under all the categories that we're looking for. And there's nothing that I like here. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Let's put this to 100. Keep scrolling here. I'll show you guys this one here. Here's an example I found right now. This one only has 152 reviews here. They're selling it at $25, and you can see in sales, they've done over 9,000 sales this month. So on average, they're selling over 300 units per day. And let's go with the Helium 10 plugin that you're able to download with Google Chrome. You're gonna click X-ray here, and you're able to see how much they have done in revenue for this month. Over $200,000 in revenue for this month off this one product. So that's a crazy amount that they have made with only 150 reviews, which is absolutely insane. They're probably on the first page for this product. For this product to actually work and to be successful with selling this product, you need to make sure the profit margin is high. I recommend profit margins to be 35% or higher. That's how you're going to be able to grow a successful business. You need to have a good profit margin. This, I would actually pass on this product because you're probably going to be paying $3 to $4 for it being wholesale. You can see here the Amazon FBA fees are almost $12. I'm gonna have to pass on this one because of the profit margin, but it's a good product for somebody else. What we're gonna be doing is finding an even better product. I don't like this product because the profit margin, I already know for a fact the profit margin is not gonna be good. We're gonna be probably making around $6 to $7 profit by selling this product, which is okay, but there are better opportunities for us. So let's go back to Black Box on Helium 10. So this might be an even way better product. I know for a fact it's actually a way better product that you can actually start selling. And look, this one is a savings challenge envelope. You can see that they've done over 13,000 sales this month. They're selling it at $23. You can probably get this unit for around $1 to $2. They're making a killing. This is the type of product that I would like to sell. Something like this that's not so big. It's actually really light, probably under 2 pounds. It has a good price for $23, and China can probably make this product for around $1. At most $2, so you're gonna be making a good profit margin. And Amazon fees with shipping fees is only $5. So that's the total Amazon FBA fees. The shipping with Amazon fees, $5. It's a really good thing to sell. Something like this is an amazing product to start selling. Okay, so let's say we wanted to start selling this whole product, right? something like this that, you know, we could probably get from China for $1 or $2, then you're going to want to go to Alibaba.com. So you're going to just type in Alibaba.com, and let's see if we can put something like this. I doubt we're going to be able to find the exact same thing, but let's just check really quick here. Oh, look. Okay, yeah, they definitely do make these really easy. So what we're going to do is put max price $3 here. So now it's $2. You know, you probably get this one for $1. And you can see $2.48. And this one looks like in between $1 to $2. Yeah, so what I personally would do here is I will contact a bunch of these suppliers at nighttime. You can even send them the Amazon link that you just found here, and you could be like, I want a product very similar to this. How much will it cost me, and would you be able to send me samples? I would do that with 3 to 4 different suppliers, get samples, see which one is best, and then go with that product. That's how you can grow an Amazon FBA business. It's really easy to do, but you need to make sure it's not so competitive, the product that you're selling. That way you can actually start making money. You're not dealing with these huge big sellers that are gonna take you out, and it's gonna be very hard. Something like this, the example I showed you, is a good product to start selling. And you're gonna want to go on Alibaba.com, contact the manufacturer. I suggest doing it at nighttime because that's the time they're up. We're in the opposite time zone. At nighttime, when you're about to go to sleep, they're about to wake up. So if you want live chat, contact them at night. Ideally 9 p.m., 10 p.m. is when I do it usually. And yeah, this is how you're gonna find the supplier for this product. If you want to learn more about like Amazon product research, or if you want more tips of exactly how to start your Amazon business, I literally made a course for you guys for free. I'm going to have it in the link down below. It's in the description as well as in the pinned comments. It's a free beginner course. There's nothing needed to start this thing. You can literally start at 3 minutes from now. All you have to do is sign up, and the course is all there for you. And I also have a more advanced course as well. And the advanced course, you can use the full advanced course for up to 30 days for free. And you can literally learn all my secrets for free. There's, like I said, nothing is needed. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Also, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. See you guys on the next one. Peace.